How to fix Huawei Mate 70 is not charging. So let's start the video. First of all, check your charger and cable works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update a new one charger and cable. After that, restart your device. For start your device, press and hold power button and click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down in last and click on system and updates. And then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.